Let's learn maths for standard second. Topic is the expanded form of a number. Dear children, here the meaning of expansion is nothing but the stretching of a number. We stretch or we write the expanded form of a number by using their place values. Okay, let's move to the topic. Here, now write the place value of each digit in the numbers given below. This we have done in the last lecture. Again we will go through by using 2 to 3 sums. The number is 27. You know that the place values, right? 7 is in unit place and 2 is in tens place. Isn't it? Always to the right side, that is unit place, to the next of unit is tens place. So the values of these digits, they depend on the places they are, right? Now here 7 is in unit place, so the place value of 7 is 7 as it is, because we multiply the number in unit place by 1 to get the place value of that digit, right? And what about 2? 2 is in tens place. We multiply the digit in the tens place by 10 to get the place value of that digit. So 2 multiplied by 10, that is 20, right? Okay, one more. Now here the digit is 30 and 0 is in unit place and 3 in tens place. So 0 multiplied by 1, that is nothing but 0, right? 0 multiplied by any number is 0 and 3 is in tens place, so the value of 3 is 30, right? Next number 49. Again here 4 in tens place and 9 in unit place. The place value of 9 is 9, correct? And the place value of 4 is 40, right? Next number is 67. 7 in unit place and 6 is in tens place. The place value of 7 is 7 and the place value of 6 is 60, 60, isn't it? Because 6 is in tens place, correct? Write the place value of each digit in the numbers given. 67 is given. You know that 7 in unit place and 6 in tens place. So the value of 6 is 60 and the value of 7 is 7, right? Now same thing we will write in words, that is 60 and 7, that is nothing but 60 plus 7, right? Next number 55, double 5. Okay, 1 5 is in unit place and another is in tens place. So the place values, here it is 50 and here it is 5. And when we write these numbers in words, we will write like this. It is 50 and 5. That is nothing but 50 plus 5, right? I hope you understood about how to write the place values of digits that are given, right? Here 70 plus 8, isn't it? 70 and 8 in words. and 70 plus 8, that is nothing but the value of this number, right? This is the expanded form. We will go through some more. 99, again double 9, 1 9 in tens place and 1 9 in unit place. The digit is same, but the values, that is the place values, differ because of their places. This is 90, this is 9. Number is 90 and 9. And the expanded form, we write according to their places, that is nothing but 90 plus 9. Correct? Got this, children? 99, it is same as 90 plus 9. This is called expanded form of this 99. 13, here also 1 is in tens place, 3 in unit place. So the value of 1 is 10 and 3 as it is 3. And when we write this in word, that is 10 and 3. And the expanded form is nothing but the same thing we are going to write, only we put addition mark in between, that is 10 plus 3. Got this, children? The main thing in expanded form is the place values. We write the digits given according to the place values and we use addition mark in between the numbers. Okay, got this? In the numbers from 10 to 100, you know, numbers writing from 1 to 100, isn't it? Here in the numbers from 10 to 100, what to do here? How many times do we see the digit 5 in the tens place? Yes, you know what is unit place and what is tens place. Okay, first we will write numbers up till 100. Okay, here the numbers. Now the question is, how many times do we see the digit 5 in the tens place? Remember, we have to find the digit that has 5 in the tens place. See here, this 5, it is in the unit place, isn't it? These are all 5s. They are having 5 in the unit place. Now we need the number in that digit 5 should be in the tens place. Yes, here, very good. 51 to 59. Here you can see in the unit place 1 is there and in the tens place 5 is there, right? And our question is also tells us the same thing. They need 5 in the tens place. Yes, all these numbers in the rectangle, they have 5 in tens place, right? Okay, write those numbers. Okay, we will copy these numbers here. See, this is 51. Please observe carefully so that you will come to know the tens place that has 5 in each number. See, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. The next number is 6060. But here 6 is there in the tens place, so we can't write this one, right? Here we have written up from 51 to 59. And all these numbers, they have 5 in their tens place. Yes, count how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. We see 9 times digit 5 in the tens place, isn't it? Same thing we will write here. we see 9 times the digit 5 in the tens place. Okay, we'll move to the next one. In the numbers from 10 to 99, what to do? How many times do we see the digit 0 in the unit place? Again, here we will write 1 to 99 numbers. Okay, and what is the question? How many times do we see the digit 0 in the unit place? Unit place means here to the right side we need 0. See dear children, very easy it is. Yes, you are right. In the last row we can see 0 in the units place. Right? We will draw a rectangle. Okay? And then we will write these numbers over there. See dear children, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 and 90. These numbers have 0 in their units place. Right? So, same thing we will copy here. This is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 and 90. Right? Here all these numbers have 0 in their units place. Correct? So again we can write here, we can see 9 times the digit 0 in the units place. Right? Got this? Same thing you can do here. How many times we can see 9 in the tens place? Here these are the numbers, right? How many times we can see 2 in the units place? Now here the second row tells us that these numbers have 2 in the units place. Correct? You can do activity on this. Write the expanded form of. Yes dear children, here we can see some numbers. We will try to write the expanded form of these numbers. And now I am sure that you know how to write the expanded form by using their place values. Yes, in the first number, that is 78, 7 is in tens place. So the place value of 7 is 70. Same thing we will write. Then we will put addition mark plus sign. Then what is the value of 8 here? Same thing, remains same, right? That is 8. So 70 plus 8 is nothing but the expanded form of the 78. Now we'll move to the next number, that is 93. Yes, you know 90, correct? Plus 3. Am I right? Yeah. We'll move to the third one, 77. Double 7 here. So 17 is in unit place and 17 is in tens place. So our answer, that is expanded form of this 77, is 70 plus 7. Isn't it? Next number, 36. Then 47, then 85. Here 36, 3 is in tens place, so the place value of 3 is 30 plus 6, because 6 is in unit place. 47, 40 plus 7, isn't it? Next, 85. Very easy. 80, because 80 is in tens place, plus 5, as 5 is in unit place. Correct? Write the expanded forms of the following numbers. Here we will write the same thing in words too and in the expanded form too. Okay, in this table the first number is 75. How we will write in words? 70 and 5. Correct? And expanded form is 70 plus 5. Isn't it? Next number is 32. Come on, dear children, tell me how to write this in words and how to write the same number in expanded form. You are right. 30 and 2. Here 30 plus 2. Next number 46. Very good. 40 and 6. And the expanded form is 40 plus 6. Last number 84. Here we can write 80 and 4. That is nothing but 80 plus 4. Right? I hope you understood about how to write the expanded form of a given number. Write the place value of the underlined digit. Here number is given and one number is underlined. We have to write the place value of the underlined digit. Only the underlined digit. Here place value of 5. 5 is in tens place, isn't it? And 5 has underline. So we have to count only 5. And what is the place value of this 5? Yes, very good. That is 50 because it is in tens place. Next number 89 and 9 has underline. And 9 is in units place. So the value of 9 is 9. Right? Next number is 38 and the underline is for 8. And the place value of 8 is 8 because 8 is in units place. Next number 96. Again 6 has underline. Yes, dear children, the place value of 6 which is in units place is 6. Next number is 19 and 1 has underline and 1 is in tens place. So the place value of 1 is, yes, 10. Very good. Last number 38 and 3 has underline and 3 is in tens place. So the place value of 3 is 30. Got this? Write the number from its expanded form. Now we will do ulta. Okay. First here they will give us the expanded form. See here. Now by using this expanded form we have to write the number. This also you know. Correct? Because 30 plus 7. That is nothing but 30 and 7. What is that? 30 and 7 or 30 plus 7 is equal to 37. Right? This is the expanded form and this is the simple form. Next, 90 plus 1 makes 91. Next, 60 plus 3 gives us 63. Very good. Next number 10 plus 7. Yes, dear children, what is the value or what is the number? 10 plus 7 or 10 and 7 makes 17. Am I right? Next number 20 plus 2. That is 20 and 2 gives us 22. Next 40 plus 8. This is the expanded form of the number 48. Isn't it? Nice. Yes, dear children, this is activity for you. Okay, I hope you understood about the expanded form, about the place values, and you know how to write the place values, what to do with the tens place, and how to write the place value of the digit in the units place. Isn't it? Here, fill in the blanks or fill in the blank spaces. Okay, question marks are there that you have to fill. 66 number is given and here it is given 6 units. Yes, dear children, what you will write in this question mark place? That you have to decide. Okay, I am sure that you know the answer. Here also 79 is given and in the one circle it is given that 7 tenths. You have to write, you have to replace this question mark by the proper answer. Okay. Next. Here. This is also you have to try. Here 39 number is given and the place value is given here 30 and the second circle has question mark. Here 25 number is given and 5 is given about the place value of the unit place. You have to replace these question marks by proper answers. Okay. Here, this is also for you. Work on this. Here, write the number from its expanded form. Okay. 10 plus 0, how much? You have to write 60 plus 8 makes, yes, you know the answers, correct? You know answers for all these numbers, right? Try this. Thank you, dear children. Children, please try to